Of course, my father got it. I'm not earning. Fine, we gonna earn someday, yeah. Well, I just wanna include a little bit story time during showing you my new laptop. Is this normal? But still, yeah, I'm out of words. It's lockdown and we can't run to the net center every time I needed to use a system. So we decided to get a new laptop. That was all of a sudden. It's not like that. I didn't plan of getting this laptop now because of course, because it's lockdown and we don't want to make big investments now. But it was all of a sudden. I thought I have to get a new laptop, and my father also given the reason. Okay, get you the new laptop. Well, we're gonna start the process from where did I order stuff. The first thing I have been when I was searching for laptops. The first thing, like I'm not into technical stuff because I am a CE student, finance student, of course. So I just see how much value would I get for the amount I pay. That is the only thing I bother about. So when I was searching for laptops on YouTube, like I was searching for best laptops and the blah blah blah, and that I found and one thing I just want to mention is most of the laptops were out of stock, and even the laptops prices were higher than before. So I have to get the laptop now, so that is the reason I've been searching. And this is one laptop which has been stuck with me from this is the first laptop I have been seeing to get, and this has stuck with me. Like, the one feature that has stuck with me is that it is spill resistant, and this is a very rough and tough laptop. That is what I have heard about ThinkPad series of Lenovo. So yeah, the first thing, the model of this laptop is Lenovo ThinkPad E14, and the processor is of course Intel i3 10th generation. I wanted to get i5, but that is beyond my budget, so we're gonna see some budget laptops, huh? Well, the RAM of this laptop is the RAM is 4 GB RAM, which can be extended up to 12 GB, I suppose. And of course, the HDD is 1 TB. You get 1 TB of HDD. Don't ask me what is HDD and SDD. I don't know. That is what is written on the specifications. So I am just telling you that. And yeah, I'm very excited. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a little bit of unboxing. Should I put it here or end? I'm showing you the unboxing system at the end. So yeah, and when it comes to the feeling, like the day I've ordered was 23rd night. We have I have been like, oh, I have to get a new laptop, but this laptop was out of stock the day 2 hours before, and this came in stock 2 hours later, and I couldn't stop myself. See, I needed this laptop very badly, so I asked my father and he said okay. That was all of a sudden. I've never planned the laptop to get it that day, but I wanted to get it someday. You get my point? But still, we got it that day night, and we ordered it over the EMI process, and no cost EMI, and later 25th is the day it has arrived. And like from the morning I've been looking into my Flipkart account, like, when is this going to arrive? After that I opened it and I just got that. I just put it aside, like with the cover on. I just put it aside for some time because Corona, this nasty Corona is all over. I was pretty scared, like, to touch it with my own hands. And later that night, 25th night, I sprayed sanitizer all over it, and I just sanitized it, and I started using it because I couldn't contain my excitement. I could have used 2 days later, but no. I am a freaking Gemini. And I've opened it and I've launched it, and I couldn't. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Like, well, this charged up completely in 30 to 40 minutes, and I was like, what? 30 minutes? My laptop has been full charged, and it has been like 25th soon today. This came in at 25th, that is when I put the charging, and now it's 28th. Still I haven't recharged it. Still there is like 58% of the charging left, which is wow. The primary reason may be like my Wi-Fi went down after from 26, like 2 days back, and it's the same process now. Like my Wi-Fi is down till now, so I haven't been using that freaking much. I haven't not been using this laptop that freaking much. I'm opening it, seeing like everything come together, and I'm feeling you can see the excitement in my eyes. I'm out of my mind and out of this world. Like, Kirti has a new laptop. Well, what came into the package? Like, I have said so much about my excitement. So, what came into the package is this laptop, the charger, and some warranty cards. That's it. Nothing more than that. This is the beauty. You're gonna see it in person. Like, sorry, you can see it differently. But I think this looks so freaking sturdy, and yeah, I think this looks so sturdy. Yes, it's made of plastic, of course, but still it looks so sturdy, and I think this would be enough for my needs, I suppose. Like, I definitely think this would be enough for my needs. Well, that's about performance. I don't know anything about the performance because I said my Wi-Fi has been down, so I didn't work that freaking much. I have downloaded few apps, that's it, and it did work well, but yeah. And this comes with an inbuilt iOS 10, so that I need not install it again. If you are a beginner, it's the best thing you could ask for. That's about my laptop excitement story. Excitement. So I just wanted to film this video to show you like there's something new in the cabin or in the YouTube thing which I've set up, and I'm super excited to edit my videos on this laptop. But editing my videos on phone has been a hell of a task because it was just out of my control kind of thing, and so now editing it on my laptop. So now I'm gonna do it on my laptop, and that thought is like blowing my mind literally. Like, yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to the day when I earn money and I get things with my own money. But now, as of now, it's my father who is funding me. And yeah, that's about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching my excitement and nasty excitement about, yeah. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please make sure to like this video if you like this video, and tell in the comment section below what do you think about this video and what is the laptop you have been using. Yeah, and And if you have been using this laptop, tell me your review down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it means a lot to me, yaar. It really means a lot to me. It makes my day if you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah. Lastly, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. On Instagram, I am uploading random styling videos which I am really enjoying doing it for you guys. So, and you definitely don't want to miss this. So please follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is on the screen and down in the description box below. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and watch my previous videos. My previous videos are mostly about fashion, skincare and self-love. You're gonna love it.